Here guys, welcome back to another video. We gonna be doing something with this. My 1999 Toyota Camry. Like I said in my other video, y'all had requested this video. Sheesh, I need gas. I need to go get gas before I do anything. Ignore all these lights, guys. Just know it's a Toyota. So, meaning that it don't matter because it's a Toyota and Toyota. Look at the Fedia. The Fedia. Sheesh. All right, guys. Just real quick, let me show y'all video. The Camry. This is what it. 9 Toyota Camry. How the Apple play inside and shit. I spray painted it, but I fucked it up. Sooner or later, I'm gonna learn how to paint cars. So process. Fuck it if you fuck up. It for the YouTube video, but I need to put gas for tomorrow because this is the car I'm gonna be taking tomorrow since the Z is in the shop. Here we are at the gas station. Sheesh, look at the Cali gas prices, guys. No mames. Could I get number 5 on number 7 por favor? If you know, you know. Sheesh, my dumb ass about to go inside with no fucking wallet. No mames. Sheesh, the Fedia, guys. Fedia. I actually didn't put 5 this time. I put 10. So I don't want to hear y'all talking shit. I'm so used to driving the Z, guys. Like, so like in the Z, I don't need a key. I always have my keys in my pocket. But right now, when I got back in my car, I was like, damn, like, where the fuck? No push to start. You know, gotta get that POV for y'all. Gotta see if the GoPro charged. Sheesh, no mames. 97, no mames. We good, boys? The water bottles I got, they be from work and shit. Like at work they provide us water bottles and shit, so on my break I'll come in my car and I'll just leave my water bottles that I haven't finished in here, keep them because my grandpa be recycling and shit. This is barely the start and shit. I've been doing YouTube for a while now, YouTube for like a year almost. I've almost had this channel for like 2 years. If you guys go all the way down to like my first videos, it was videos of my truck and shit. But I kind of stopped after I sold the truck just because I was kind of like not motivated to be editing videos. But even before I had my YouTube, like I would edit videos on my Instagram and I had my own little car page for my Mustang. So I've always liked editing and shit, like creation kind of, I guess. But yeah, guys, whoever's if you guys are watching this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers ASAP, as soon as possible. Do a little pool in the daily. Shit, don't tempt me. No camera cut. Oh, you heard that shit? 100 miles an hour already. Sheesh. God. This is what $10 gets you in Cali, guys. Sheesh, no camera. Y'all saw that 180 though? Ah, bro, they whack as hell. I thought they were gonna race. So what's up, guys? It's the next day. I just got off of work. It's supposed to rain later on today, so I was hoping I could get some more clips of me pulling the e-brake, you know. But I'm gonna try to get some more clips for you guys, and then I'll see what's good. But look at these clouds, guys. Cali clouds. That shit looks crazy. It looks crazy on the camera. Alright guys, so we're gonna try this out one more time. It's the next day, or the next night from recording last night. I want to try to do it tonight. Well, I waited another night. Damn, this is going fast. But I waited another night just because it rained today, so the floors are kind of slippery. I wanted to slide a little bit more, so I just want to see like how much it's gonna slide. But yeah, guys. This motherfucker getting sideways, bro. Bro, this thing is so fun to toss around, guys. Now I need to put gas. All right, one more. Let's put the hazards on. One more. Damn. Way bigger difference from last night, guys. Last night, I mean, I wasn't struggling to get it sideways, but like it's much more easier, and I didn't want to like ruin my tires like a lot since it was like dry pavement. But damn, this motherfucker was getting sideways. Thank God these tires don't they don't cost as much as the ones on the Z. Oh my God, the ones on the Z, it's like 250, 200 a piece just for one tire. But all right, guys, this is gonna end it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. It was something different since I don't have my Z right now, so I wanted to post some content for you guys. But I hope you guys liked it, and make sure to leave a like on this video. And if you guys like more, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be posting way more stuff. But yeah, guys, this video was kind of fun to make for me. But all right, guys, tune into the next one.